Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Tricot knitting collection. But before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Bartender. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Tricot, Easy and Creative. And of course guys, if you would like to see the previous ones of this collection that I've unboxed, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which will be located in the end cards in the end of this video. And here it shows you how to make your own little sweater. Looks really cute. It shows you all of the materials that you'll need. And then it gives you the pattern over here. And then walks you through step by step. And over here, it shows you how to make your very own knitted coffee coaster. Again, it gives you the pattern as well as the materials that you'll need. And walks you through of how to do each one of the steps. And over here it shows you how to do a new pattern there. And over here, it shows you how to make your own little alien plushies, which are actually really kind of cute. I might just make these because these are kind of adorable. It gives you the pattern for how to make them here. And it gives you the list of materials and knitting needles, the size of knitting needles, that you would need to make this. And then it walks you through again how to do each step. everything from knitting them to how to sew on the eyes and fill them up with stuffing, which is nice. And then we go on. You guys tell me, are you guys doing any knitting or yarn crafts during this quarantine? You guys tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our new yarn that we got. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so we have our brand new gray yarn here. Let me just open this up. There we go. Again, it's 25 grams of this just super ridiculously soft gray yarn. It's so soft. I cannot wait to make something really cool out of this yarn. It's gonna be so nice. And then let's open this one up. And okay, so here we have another 25 grams of some more gray yarn. Again, it is super soft, and I'm not sure, but I thought that they were slightly different colors, but I wasn't sure. I think that this one is a bit darker, but you guys tell me what you guys think. I like the colors, but I think they're a bit different shades of gray. But you guys tell me what you guys think, and well, I can't wait to make something out of this new yarn that I got. Well, you guys tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're motioning around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will also have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Tumblr, all of that linked down below. I look forward to seeing you guys over on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.